Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an Agile coach and a Scrum Master. Today I will share an exercise that you can use in retrospectives called Oscars or Story Oscars or award ceremony or whatever you call it. If you like these videos, please subscribe and share. That would be super awesome. As I guess many of you, retrospectives are the favorite event to facilitate and be part of, because it's just an extraordinary meeting, event, ceremony to reflect on how can we improve the way of working. I absolutely love to facilitate it, and I play around with the format quite a lot. But I tend to have a lot of open brainstorming. So for instance, if we have the starfish or the retro wheel, so what should we do more of, less of, and so on. Sometimes shuffling a bit the format is actually quite helpful, and I like this one because it helps us to look more specifically at the backlog, the sprint backlog that we used in the sprint. So the work that we actually did. And the classic way of doing this is that you print out the completed sprint backlog, or hopefully it completed, right? And then you nominate to different categories. The classic category is best story. So what was the best story in the sprint? Something that serves celebration, but also something that we can learn from. So what can we learn from the best story? What success factors can we pull out and reuse and use in other circumstances? The most annoying story, so the story that annoyed us the most, that caused the most pain, the most heartache, the most maybe even stress in the team. And then having a third or fourth category that you decide on in the team: best lead actor, best supporting actor, best visual effects, whatever rocks your boat, right? Be creative. You can even use this as the energizer. So we're going to an award show. What would be the most surprising award handed out? And then use the winner from that small brainstorming as the third one. And it's super nice with this alternative view on the sprint and the stuff we did. Anywho, best story, most annoying story, and then the third category. Then you nominate, each can nominate a story, and then you do dot voting or some other kind of voting to figure out, so who wins the best story, who wins, or not who, what story, what backlog item wins the most annoying story, and so on. And then we dive deep. So I would time box, for instance, 5 minutes discussion about the best story. What can we learn from it? What should we celebrate? And so on. And then write down action items from that, and then continue with the other categories. Hopefully we will have some focus points, some improvement points we can feed into the next sprint and improve. So that is how I do this exercise. I'm hoping that some of you will share how are you doing these exercises. And as always, if you have comments, questions, ideas, or feedback, please send them my way, either in a comment or in a message on a mail. That would be super awesome. Have an awesome day.